The Kawasaki Ninja series has earned a global reputation for performance, reliability, and aggressive sport styling. In 2026, the Ninja 400 and Ninja 650 continue this legacy by offering refined engines, modern technology, and rider-focused ergonomics for both new and experienced motorcyclists. 2026 Kawasaki Ninja 400 Design and Styling. The Ninja 400 features sharp, race-inspired bodywork influenced by Kawasaki's flagship superbikes. Its slim profile, aerodynamic fairings, and LED headlights give it a premium sportbike appearance while keeping weight to a minimum. Ninja 400 Engine and Riding Performance. A 399 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine delivers smooth power with excellent throttle response. The lightweight frame enhances cornering confidence, quick acceleration, and easy maneuverability. The Ninja 400 feels equally comfortable in urban traffic and on twisty back roads. Ninja 400 Comfort, Safety and Technology. The riding position is sporty yet relaxed, reducing fatigue during daily rides. Safety features include ABS, a slipper clutch for smoother downshifts, and predictable braking. The digital instrument cluster provides clear riding information, enhancing control and confidence. 2026 Kawasaki Ninja 650 Design and Road Presence. The Ninja 650 showcases a bolder and more muscular design. Its aggressive front fascia, larger fairings, and premium paint finishes give it a commanding presence on the road, appealing to riders seeking a serious sport machine. Ninja 650 Engine and Performance Capability. Powered by a 649 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, the Ninja 650 delivers strong torque across low and mid-range RPMs. It offers effortless highway cruising, quick overtakes, and stable high-speed handling, making it suitable for longer rides and touring. Ninja 650 Advanced Features and Comfort. The 2026 Ninja 650 includes traction control, ABS, multiple riding modes, and a TFT color display with smartphone connectivity. Upright ergonomics, a comfortable seat, and refined suspension tuning.